Alright, so mapapansin po natin dito mga lods, after some surveys na natapos po natin dito kay application na si Mileiu is na-reach natin yung 11,521 points. So dito sa mga rewards ni Mileiu po ay makikita natin, ito po yung pinaka rewards niya na available. Ang minimum points na kinakailangan para ma-withdraw or ma-payout, yung minimum payout nila is 11,500 points. At yan ay equivalent sa 200 peso pure gold voucher. Okay, so i-back lang natin. And meron din po siyang 200 peso SM gift pass and 200 peso grab pay or e-gift at 200 peso Gcash and e-gift. And 200 max restaurant voucher, 300 pesos mobile prepaid load which is equivalent sa 16,000 points, and 500 prepaid mobile load is 25,000 points, and as well as si GrabPay and the other po. So since na-reach na po natin yung minimum payout niya or minimum points, try nating i-payout ngayon si 200 Gcash e-gift. So yan ay nagkakahalaga ng 11,500 points, and as you can see here, ito po yung pinaka-message niya. Your points is 11,521 and 200 Gcash e-gift which is 11,500 points. So 200 peso voucher to top up your Gcash e-wallet. So and a redemption SMS from our rewards partner will be sent to you in 10 working days. So TNC and instruction at this link. So tingnan po natin yung pinaka-link ni Mileiu regarding sa instruction sa pagre-redeem. Okay, so wait lang po natin. Alright, so i-click natin yung claim. One more step, enter valid mobile number without country code 0 or +63 to receive redemption SMS link. So ilagay po natin yung number natin dito. And then click natin yung submit. And according to them is mag-send sila ng message. Important, please ensure your details are correct. Our rewards partner may not allow refunds. So ito po yung kailang email, and click natin yung submit. Alright, your reward is on its way to you. The reward you have claimed will be processed and credited to you within 10 working days. Thank you for supporting Mileiu, and we hope you are having fun with our survey. So after this is i-click lang natin yung back menu, at mapapansin po natin dito is meron na lamang tayong at least 21 points. At ang sabi po ni Mileiu is we will expect the reward within 10 working days. So itutuloy natin yung video ito after 10 working days.
A few moments later.
So ayun na nga guys, after mga ilang araw after nung ating redemption dun sa Mileiu application, so nagpadala na po as of August 27, 5 PM etong si Mileiu regarding doon sa pag-top up po natin nung 200 pesos e-gift natin na ibibigay niya gamit yung ating Gcash account. So ang gagawin natin dito is bali yung link na ibinigay nila is i-open lang natin. So sabi niya, hi Mileiu survey user, Mileiu survey sent one e-gift worth 200 pesos for Gcash. Please open http://gft.ph at yun yung kanyang link. So your e-gift code for 200 peso is GKK2W78. Please go to this link. So gawin natin is open natin yung link at mag-open yan sa ating pinaka-browser. So dito na po tayo doon sa pinaka-process ng pagta-top up po natin dito sa gift na ibinigay sa atin ni Mileiu. So wait lang natin siyang mag-load, and after a few seconds is i-direct na tayo sa process na gagawin po natin kung paano yung mga requirements for top up. So enter your email address or mobile number where you receive this gift. Okay, so ilagay lang po natin yung email natin dito. Okay, so make sure na tama, and then lagay natin yung mobile number natin. I think yan ay sa Gcash. And make sure na tama po yung ipo-provide po natin na mga credentials. And then kapag na-check na po natin ang lahat ng iyan, is i-click natin yung proceed. So here is your Mileiu Service Reward, your e-gift details. So nandito rin po yung ating pinaka code kanina, at yung custom value natin is nandyan na siya. Okay, so how to use: download Gcash app and register. If you are a new Gcash user, request for top up, go to our online redemption page, enter your e-gift code and Gcash account details where the updated balance. Please expect it within a few minutes. So ito yung mga terms and conditions po nila. So gagawin po natin is try nating i-copy itong redemption code, and punta tayo doon sa go to our online redemption page. Okay, so magre-redirect siya sa isang panibagong page on this part. And then sa e-gift code, ito yung kinapi po natin kanina, is i-paste lang natin siya. And mobile number, lagay po natin yung number natin sa Gcash. So make sure again na tama siya, and confirm natin yung mobile number and email address. Make sure that every credentials they are right po, no? Para hindi masayang yung ating pag-redeem ng ating pinagpaguran. And then click natin yung I'm not a robot. So sagutan natin yung ating CAPTCHA, and i-try natin i-verify afterwards. And then di pa fully loaded yung page, but i-try natin i-click ngayon yung redeem button, and click natin yung redeem, and wait natin kung saan siya mare-redirect. At ang sabi doon sa previous page is we just have to wait for few minutes bago mag-arrive yung ating ni-redeem. So your 200 peso Gcash redemption is successful. Please expect this to reflect on your Gcash account after a few minutes. So after that, wala pang isang minuto, kasama na po dyan yung ating email at yung text ni Mileiu. You have received 200 peso of Gcash from ECPay with message success. Your new balance is 287.22. So use now to buy, load, purchase items, send money, pay bills, and a lot more. Alright, so balikan natin yung isa pang message na ipinadala sa atin. Alright, so thanks for using your e-gift at Gcash. For feedback, please email hi@giveaway.ph. Now punta tayo doon sa ating pinaka Gcash account at i-check natin kung talagang pumasok yung ating ni-redeem from Mileiu. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so meron na tayong 287.22 pesos dito sa Gcash natin, which is kanina is 87 pesos lang yan. So legit and paying po si Mileiu Survey. Ang kagandahan lang kay Mileiu Survey is meron siyang surveys na ibinibigay every day. So tsaga-tsaga lang, and kahit wala po kayong referral dito sa application na ito, as long as you are masipag sa pagsagot sa mga survey, ay ibibigay nila sa inyo yung payment. So, once again, thank you sa Mileiu application at siya ay legit. And once again, thank you guys sa inyong panonood. Salamat sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa ating channel. Lagi kayong mag-ingat, stay safe, at piliin natin ngayon yung mananalo doon sa ating winner from the previous video.